All right, day 3. Just wrapped up breakfast, had my coffee for the morning, slept great last night. I think I actually might take my tarp off tonight. I got up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom, and I looked up, and the stars are just beautiful, very clear, very nice. So I think I don't have the best view with all these trees, but maybe I'll pop that tarp off and just sleep under the stars for the night. The plan is I'm gonna start packing up here, get ready for the day. Triple nickel. I'll be heading to Zanesville. There's a Harley-Davidson dealership that's like pretty close to the start of it, so I think I'm just gonna head there and make my way down. Really looking forward to it. I've been wanting to hit this road for years, so today's pretty exciting. The riding should be incredible. Instead of heading directly to Zanesville, I decided to head to the Triple Nickel Saloon as my starting point. My second stop on the 555 was the Triple Nickel Diner. I decided to grab lunch here and take a quick break before heading out. Towards the end of my ride, I saw this bridge and decided to stop and grab a couple pictures. After finishing my ride, I gassed my bike up and headed back to Little Fish Brewery for a celebratory beer. Back at camp, I'm just starting to pack things up and get things ready for tomorrow, make it as easy as possible to throw the bags on and leave. I think it's about 4.5 hours to get home without stops. Of course, I'll take stops, so probably like, 5, maybe 5.5 hours. There's no point in hanging out here. So when I wake up, I'm hitting the road. The Triple Nickel completely lived up to the hype. Athens in general is just like a really beautiful place to ride. The roads are fantastic, good quality. I didn't see too much gravel. There was a bit of gravel. I'm glad in certain areas of the Triple Nickel I was taking it slow because it was there, but it wasn't that bad. I only saw a few deer when I was on the Triple Nickel and they weren't in the roads, so that's something. But yeah, overall, this is a beautiful place to ride. I met somebody today that rode up here from Massachusetts to come and check out these roads. So if you live nearby, or maybe if you even don't, it's definitely worth your time to come check it out. I'm hoping I could probably make it like a yearly thing. I probably wouldn't camp every time, but maybe like a like a 2-day kind of, you know, grab a hotel room and chill kind of thing. But this trip has been awesome. I feel like this trip, I guess, cemented my confidence in traveling and camping on the motorcycle. At this point, I've done it enough times where I'm not feeling as anxious and I'm feeling more sure of myself. Like as far as being prepared for, you know, the elements or just whatever, I just feel good about everything. I feel like this is kind of like a turning point for me as far as the trips go, because now I feel like, I mean, what am I gonna do next? You know, am I gonna, you know, what's the next one? I think maybe next summer, because this is the last trip of the year, I think next summer I would love to do a tour around the Upper Peninsula. We'll see if I can make that happen. It mostly comes down to having time off work. You know, if I got the time off work, like, it's gonna happen, but we'll see. Anyway, if you guys want to see more content like this, please sound off in the comments section. If you like it, throw it a like, and if you just like XSR content in general, feel free to subscribe. I really appreciate it. If you're watching this now, thank you for hanging out for the whole video. But yeah, guys, ride fast, ride naked, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.